Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. It is essential for the proper functioning of various bodily processes, including bone health, immune system support, and mood regulation. While our bodies can produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, many people may still need to supplement their intake, especially in areas with limited sunlight or for those with specific dietary restrictions. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore how to take vitamin D for optimal health and well-being. Chapter 1. Understanding vitamin D. Before delving into how to take vitamin D, it's essential to understand what it is and why it's vital for your health. What is vitamin D? Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that acts as a hormone in the body. It comes in two main forms: vitamin D2, argocalciferol, and vitamin D3, cholecalciferol. Both forms can be obtained through dietary sources or supplements. The importance of vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for several bodily functions, including bone health. It helps regulate calcium and phosphorus absorption, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Immune system support. Adequate vitamin D levels are associated with a stronger immune system and a reduced risk of infections. Mood regulation. Some research suggests that vitamin D may play a role in mood regulation and may help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Chapter 2. Sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D can be obtained from various sources, including sunlight, diet, and supplements. Sunlight exposure to sunlight is one of the most natural ways to produce vitamin D. When your skin is exposed to ultraviolet B, UVB, rays from the sun, it synthesizes vitamin D. However, the amount of sunlight you need depends on factors like your skin tone, location, and time of day. Dietary sources. Vitamin D can also be obtained from certain foods, including 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and trout are excellent sources of vitamin D. 2. Egg yolks. The yolk contains vitamin D, although the amount can vary depending on the chicken's diet. 3. Fortified foods. Many dairy products, plant-based milk alternatives, and cereals are fortified with vitamin D. Supplements. For those who have limited sun exposure or difficulty getting enough vitamin D from their diet, supplements are a convenient and reliable option. Chapter 3. Determining your vitamin D needs. The amount of vitamin D you need depends on various factors, including your age, sex, health status, and sun exposure. It's essential to understand your requirements to take vitamin D effectively. Recommended dietary allowances, RDAs. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D varies by age group. 1. Infants, 0-12 months, 401,000 IU, 1025 mcg. 2. Children, 1-18 years, 601,000 IU, 1525 mcg. 3. Adults, 1970 years, 601,000 IU, 1525 mcg. 4. Adults, 71 years and older, 802,000 IU, 2050 mcg. 5. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, 602,000 IU, 1550 mcg. Chapter 4. Types of vitamin D supplements. When considering how to take vitamin D supplements, it's important to be aware of the available options. Vitamin D2 versus vitamin D3. 1. Vitamin D2, argocalciferol. This form of vitamin D is derived from plants and is less effective at raising blood levels of vitamin D compared to D3. 1. It is less commonly used in supplements. 2. Vitamin D3, cholecalciferol. This form of vitamin D is derived from animal sources, such as fish oil or lanolin from sheep's wool. 2. It is the preferred form for supplements as it is more potent and better absorbed by the body. Vitamin D supplement forms. 1. Capsules and tablets. These are the most common forms of vitamin D supplements and are available over the counter. 2. Soft gels. Soft gel capsules contain a liquid form of vitamin D, which may be more easily absorbed by some individuals. 3. Vitamin D drops. Liquid vitamin D drops are convenient for precise dosing, especially for infants and young children. Chapter 5. How to take vitamin D supplements. Taking vitamin D supplements is straightforward, but it's important to follow certain guidelines to ensure effectiveness and safety. Dosage. Follow your healthcare provider's recommendations or the dosage instructions on the supplement label. The dosage can vary depending on your specific needs and vitamin D levels. Timing. Vitamin D can be taken with or without food. It's best to choose a time that suits your daily routine and ensures consistency in taking your supplements. Consistency is key when taking vitamin D supplements. Try to take them at the same time each day to establish a routine. Monitoring: it's essential to monitor your vitamin D levels regularly, especially if you are taking supplements. Your healthcare provider can perform a blood test to determine your current vitamin D status. Chapter 6. Safety and potential side effects. While vitamin D is generally safe when taken within recommended doses, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and safety considerations. Side effects: common side effects of excessive vitamin D intake may include nausea, vomiting, constipation, and weakness. These symptoms are more likely to occur when taking very high doses. Toxicity: vitamin D toxicity is rare but can occur with extremely high doses over an extended period. Symptoms of vitamin D toxicity include high blood calcium levels, kidney stones, and damage to the heart and blood vessels. Chapter 7. Special considerations. Certain groups of people may have unique considerations when it comes to taking vitamin D supplements. Pregnancy and breastfeeding: pregnant and breastfeeding women may require additional vitamin D to support their own health and their baby's development. Seniors: as we age, our bodies may become less efficient at producing vitamin D. Seniors may benefit from higher doses of vitamin D to maintain bone health. Medical conditions: individuals with certain medical conditions, such as malabsorption disorders or chronic kidney disease, may require higher doses of vitamin D or specific supplements. Consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Conclusion. Vitamin D is a crucial nutrient for overall health, and understanding how to take it effectively is essential for maintaining optimal well-being. Whether through sunlight, diet, or supplements, meeting your vitamin D needs can contribute to strong bones, a healthy immune system, and improved mood. Be sure to consult with your healthcare provider to determine your specific vitamin D requirements and to monitor your levels regularly for the best results. Taking care of your vitamin D needs is a step toward a healthier, happier life.